We're Pia and Sean with our three dogs, and welcome to our van life. We're on the road back to Canada and encounter another problem with our power. Please stay tuned as we try to figure out if we need to change plans. Please like, subscribe, and we thank you all for watching.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. This is Van Doggies, and if you just joined us, I'm Sean. Pia is with us. She's relaxing in the bed right now, and we have three dogs with us in a storyteller mode LT. And we are embarking today on the first day of another 2-week journey. This time we're going across the Pacific Northwest. We already had our plans pivot once, and unfortunately we're having another question with our Volta system. So right now we're on shore power. It is charging fully, so we are good to go. We have AC running. We're nice and cool. It was about 110 degrees at some points today. We're in Southern Oregon right now, where it was about 100 degrees when we arrived. And we think our Volta wiring is toast again, potentially. It's not charging while we drive. This started actually last week, so we're hoping that it might be just a screen issue and troubleshooting with other people, but it looks like that's not the case because the SoC is moving. But we are gonna try to push through and just charge when we can from shore power, like we're doing right now. And the big aha really is we don't really want to have to change everything just to try to get fixed during the middle of vacation again. So for now, we're making our way up to Canada tomorrow. We're going to maintain our plans for now, and we'll kind of show you what's happening. We are navigating some fires that did change our reservations in Jasper National Park, and they had a horrible fire for the last couple of weeks. So we're no longer going there. Those reservations were canceled automatically and refunded by Parks Canada because of the horrible fires. So we're moving north, and we're going to go east, and then we're going to kind of play it by ear with some different plans that we'll show you along the way. So 2 weeks navigating some more power issues. Come Monday, we're gonna try to contact Volta again and see if they can help. I already contacted them. Unfortunately, I have not heard a response, and that was on Monday, so that's not great. Opening up a ticket, and last summer I also kind of had to hound them, so probably gonna have to do that again. But sometimes that's just the name of the game with certain vendors that are busy and don't have the best systems for support always in place. So we'll show you more about our trip and continue to navigate the issues. And this is van life. This is what everybody has to deal with the good and the bad, and potentially the ugly. So follow along, and we'll show you what's happening tomorrow. This is day 1. Tomorrow will be day 2, Saturday. Good morning, everybody, from Seven Feathers RV Resort. It was warm last night, and thank God we had the power and the AC, but doggy still got a little hot. So everybody woke up, not a bunch of sleep, probably about 5 hours max, and we're hitting the road to Canada. We had a couple little snafus with the puppies last night, so a little groggy and need some coffee, and then just took a quick shower, which is a nice part about having this, is that you can do it fast at the ERV resorts, but this place is pretty packed, and the showers were already pretty busy, and this place has like buildings with like 8 to 10 showers. So we're gonna get going before it gets hot again and hopefully find some cooler weather up north. We'll show you how it goes. So we're over here at the Seven Feathers casino now, and I'm gonna, we didn't do this last time we were here, but this is a little pro tip on saving a couple bucks on the road. Is gonna go in and grab coffee and a little bite. It's about 8 a.m. and join their players club, because when you stay at the RV resort or get gas or anything else, it's like a nice little discount. So we might be back here over the years, so it makes sense for us to grab it this time, since we got up pretty early and we're not dragging like we usually do. So show you what it looks like inside the casino. Definitely a pretty fancy build out here. Casino at 8 a.m. on a Saturday. Looks like they have some big old buffalo, dragon spin. Come on. Need 6 of those, I believe. What in 10 cents over here? Switched over to the Giant Panda Dragon Link Major 797. That'd be nice. I'll be happy with a minor or even a mini. Just one 250.
So this will be our good morning breakfast. I usually like to get oatmeal from Starbucks. I am trying blueberries from them for the first time. I didn't realize that they had blueberries with their oatmeal, and I skipped putting sugar, and sometimes I'll put honey, but at this moment I think I'm good with just eating blueberries with my oatmeal. The oatmeal can be hit or miss as far as cream, because I like a lot of cream with my oatmeal. I don't like dry when it tastes dry. So we're gonna try it. And then I also ended up getting coffee from Seven Feathers, the casino. This is just regular iced coffee, does not have any sugar, no cream, just plain iced coffee. And Sean is headed to, actually we're here at Tractor Supply to get extension cord for our power, and got the dogs settled in the back. And yeah, it's been kind of disappointing not having our Volta charge while we're driving, but we will figure it out and keep you guys updated. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and enjoy my oatmeal.
Just picked up some extension cords, so we're gonna be house hopping and keeping things plugged in 15 amp style for the next couple days. So here we go. Pick this up in Oregon after getting a little breakfast. At this rest stop, about 100 bikers just showed up. Crazy things afoot. Lots of cars, lots of doggos, and our van to explore. We're almost to Seattle.
Hi everyone. So we are stopped here at our rest stop just before we hit Washington. Ended up eating lunch. This was a own dried apples. Did not have any apples, but this was a chicken salad type of quick lunch meal, and we had carrots over here, which I ate. Chicken, crackers, olives, and some pepperoni. Is that pepperoni? Salami, and that's dog food. Was careful not to eat the dog food, and then I finished some leftover sushi over here, and we were starting to get sleepy. That's why we decided to take a stop before we head on, continue our way up to Canada. We also have about 4 hours of driving to go, and we also are much more comfortable during this drive because it's not as hot over here in the Pacific Northwest. It was about 70 to 85 degrees, ranging from 70 to 85 degrees.
20-degree drop.
Compared to when we set out yesterday, where it was hitting around 108 degrees along the freeway on I-5 heading out of California. And dogs are so much more comfortable during the drive too. We have BobaFett is up here on the table. I put this fan attached. I attached this fan onto the crate here to give them some air, because yesterday it was super hot during the drive, and then this is a cooling blanket that's been working out really well. So dogs are much more comfortable. And interesting thing, so Sean had talked about our Volta not working properly, but so now we're stopped. So we're at like 97.
And we've been unplugged since about 8 a.m. So we would expect it to drop.
Because we have our two fridges are on.
And our inverter is on right now.
But somehow we are only getting minus 86 power flow. So something is happening. But when we stopped and I went to check to see what's going on with our Volta, the power flow was actually up to plus a positive of 20 watts. So now it's just dropped down to 70, in the 70s. So I'm like really confused about what's going on with our Volta, because it almost seemed like when we were driving, it almost seemed like it was charging.
Yeah, and with the inverter on, it should be a lot more negative flow.
Yeah, so I don't know if it's the solar also, but I don't think we get that much power in the solar anyway.
And the solar's all dirty.
Yeah, I gotta clean that. Did you step over, Boba? Honey is looking upset because she wants to go out into the box, and the queen,
There's 4 of them now.
Boba, is there with her.